Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect LIFX bulbs to Amazon Alexa. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your LIFX bulbs to Amazon Alexa, start by ensuring that your LIFX bulbs are properly installed and powered on. Download the LIFX app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the LIFX app and sign in to your account or create a new one. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your LIFX bulbs to your Wi-Fi network. Once your bulbs are connected, ensure they are functioning correctly within the LIFX app. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. In the Alexa app, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. Use the search bar to find the LIFX skill. Tap on the LIFX skill from the search results. Next, tap on the Enable button to activate the skill. You will be prompted to log into your LIFX account. Enter your LIFX account credentials and authorize Alexa to access your LIFX devices. Once successfully linked, you will see a confirmation message in the Alexa app. To discover your LIFX bulbs, tap on Devices in the bottom menu of the Alexa app. Next, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select Add Device and then choose Light. Select LIFX from the list of brands. Alexa will begin searching for your LIFX bulbs. Once the search is complete, you should see your LIFX bulbs listed under Devices. You can now control your LIFX bulbs using voice commands through Alexa. Try using commands like Alexa, turn on the living room light, or Alexa, set the bedroom light to blue. You're all set to enjoy seamless control of your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.